Hey. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Yeah, myself. What do you? Hey. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. I think the first step of today is gonna be to try to optimize it a bit. Although first of all I can try after videos. Oops. Yeah, need to wake up a bit. I feel like this didn't work, but I'm not really sure why it doesn't really do anything. We'll see. Don't think we need. Actually, I wanted to check something. On main camera. That. No idea. Am I blind? Oh, yeah, I am blind. Okay. I don't think this. Have I used? Oh, I don't think so. Usually, this is used. And then we have the. We have the methods. They are not. Indexed by any meaningful way as far as I know. It's just that everyone has. Like, that each has. I think a script attached to it. Either of these two do it, or either. Where where like each has a position trigger and then it just gets unweird. That sadly doesn't help us really. I think yeah, actually, perfect. They seem to. I guess they actually. Okay, no, it's. I mean, the thing I could do technically is to. Wait, that's a whole mask. Okay. But the idea wouldn't work anyway, but it. What's that? No, wait, that's actually one more, right? Yeah, that's this one. Okay, so the thing that I wanted to do. Thank you, Shaky. Thanks for that. God, is that small? Yeah, the I could do something. I could raycast on the UI and then get the corresponding mask map time back. Should be what I want to do. So the thing that I want to do is, the thing that I have right now is I can press somewhere. What do we have? No reference expansion. What did I change in here? Did I even build it? Looks like I built it. Okay. Main canvas update. Main canvas update right here. This. I don't think I changed anything actually. I put this into and try catch earlier, but I wouldn't expect this to try catch. It's not try catch. One thing that I'm not sure right now is if this actually fixed or not. I don't know how, but you know. We can only find out. I also remember something being up with that. Like it didn't work the other way around somehow. But yeah. Let's check that. Okay. Oh, that's the index file. I didn't even see that. Okay. I don't know if that's very good. Okay, well, that's all good. I can't do anything. Maybe I just put it back into a try catch. Although it never catch anything. So right upstream. Revive that log. Log maybe. I don't know, maybe I just log arrow just doesn't work. Did I not put enough? Maybe it was no. I don't know. It could always be. Oh, yeah. But actually, start here. But why should it? It actually doesn't do anything anymore. Let's see. What did I change? Did I get to change anything meaningful? Except for this, which might be the issue. But that. Let's just see if it's the issue. I feel like that should work, but I mean, mostly because it doesn't. But let's just see. It's not much other than that I changed. I need to just check for the canvas is initiating because like I actually catch here now. Catch this arrow. I need to check that someday. Oh yeah, on that note. I fail. Thanks for the follow. what did I want to do? Rain. I mean, yeah, the game crashed, but you know, that's completely normal. Oh yeah, I remember. Okay. Yeah. How about we just try it again? Did I not build it? Confused. Yeah. Issues. Okay. It was a quick map. It's interesting. But I don't know why. Did I? Oh my god, what is that? It's the other way around. Okay. That's okay. Now, I think in here we have. Do we even have it? I think. I mean, if it's not, that should return. And if it's not, then. Yeah, if temp is not, then. Oh, that should be fine. So has a not product inspection. Just can't find the cats. Hi, Doggy. Morning, good morning. Which is fair, I guess. Although, did I go checking everything? I don't see anything that I'm not checking for now. Can I actually do something else? I'm creating a mod. Oh, you can see, we can explain it real quick. What the current idea, what the current plan is. So, oh, this could have potential spoilers, by the way, for the game. But I'm trying to not teleport myself into any advanced maps. I mean, you can see the whole map, so I'm aware of that. I can just show the beginning area. The current thing that I have is usually like in the game, if you like can never use your mouse, but I enable the mouse for this. Like if you open map, then the mouse is there. Otherwise, it's not there. And then you can just click anywhere, and it'll find the nearest room for that click. So for example, this is this room. Yeah, I just click into this room. I think you can see my mouse. Yeah, you can see my mouse. You can also just click in this room, and I'm in this room, and so on. So that works already. That's good. The current ideas that I want to do. I mean, there's also an issue. Yeah, just short for a spoiler. But this is an issue. I actually found that out already. I don't know why. I think. Oh no, okay, actually, I know why. Which is also a spoiler. Okay, there's a lot of spoilers here, but I know why. It's so the way that it works is that it's kind of jank to be fair, but it just goes to the room and then finds a pipe, so to say. So like a transition. And it'll just like use a random pipes location. Or actually exit point location. It's not really random because it's based on the way it's loaded, and the last one that's loaded is being used. And so like you'll see that will always end up here. Actually click inside the room. I mean, there could also be some issues. Like if I click here, I mean, mostly works though. It only uses like the the closest room. So the middle of the, like, every room has a position to it, which is like around the middle of it. It's like somewhere around here, if I remember correctly. And so the nearest click can be, you know, inside another room. Or like not inside another room. Hopefully that not, but you know, like if it's like at the edge, then it's like here is like inside this room, but it's closer to this room. That actually still work. But you get the idea. But I think that's mostly working as expected, actually. Okay, yeah. The thing that I want to make now, I'm happy that that works, but I would kind of like it if you could actually see which room it prioritizes. So my idea is, in here you can see, here's the camera, and here's the map. Here's another map. That's the same, but there's like mask here, which basically like mask over the areas. So, for example, room slot. So, for example, if hey, what's happening, please? Okay, I'm just gonna open it again. Unity Explorer is an experience. I'm just clicking on it. That actually makes sense. Yeah. So I hope this doesn't destroy it. Okay. That's an issue. Let's still do it like this, please. Oh, okay. It actually doesn't enable both of them. Okay, but here you see this is the mask for this. Like this just mask over this area. So it's like hidden. It's pretty neat because it's basically cut off, or like it automatically basically cuts off at any transition. So this is all one room. Sorry that I have to reload it. But yeah, you know, this is like all one room. And it's basically just cut off by the transitions, which is good. So the coolest thing that I could imagine would be if I take this mask, if I take this mask and it has a camera shot actually. Okay, here's the image, which is actually problematic. Okay, well, I can at least talk about my idea. The thing that I want to do is that instead of masking, I do the opposite. When I hover over a room, I want it to be highlighted. That would be quite cool. My idea is to just increase the brightness of the map type. The problem is that there's like not really map types on its own. Like it's all just one sprite, as far as I know. Like this is all just one sprite, and it just uses mask. As you know, as you probably know by now, that just go over them so that you can't see them anymore. So they're just like invisible. I still might be able to do something like that. I'm not sure how, because like if it is masked, then it shouldn't display anything. But if it's not masked, then it's just like the object itself is just inactive, as you can see here. These are just not active. So that's the problem. I could hook into it and change every mask to not inactive itself, but just to change the sprite to something invisible. Although I don't even know how to do that. So I'm not sure about that. I could also instead promise, I think, if it's okay. As far as I know, Unity should, maybe because it's running, maybe that's not the case. If it doesn't automatically disable orphan children, I could technically give it a child. The problem is I would need this image. Yeah, another idea would be that I just change the image, actually. I'm not sure how doable that is. Because it would also cause some issues. Let me look at it again. Hmm. Coding. Oh yeah, by the way. Yeah, Adam, since you're there, this game already has better speedrun practice tools, I guess. Well, it doesn't have a timer mode, but it has. You can just, yeah, less teleportations, I guess. Just teleport anyway. Already better than Hollow Knight. Also, like, look at how quick it's loading. Like, even the save states, they're just loading instant. I actually have to make the loading wait a bit so that the camera can follow up with it. This is so fast. It's codes that are great. Coded games that are coded right is quite fun. Okay. So I shouldn't click on anything. I could change the color of the mask. The masks. Does that work? Or rather, even the opacity. I could start by changing the opacity actually. That way, instead of being completely over it, would just be a bit over it, which was not great. Does actually, I think, if I know anything about Unity, but they should have a size, right? Can I click on this? Oh, crazy. So I could change the sprite of the image. That would work. Okay. Huge bar. Preferred height. Actually, I don't know anything about Unity, it seems. That the height. I can't change it. That's sad. Does that change anything? That is okay. I need to get a button to disable that. Yeah, I wouldn't even know what that does to be fair. So you just ignore that. Yeah, so we could change the color. And it should be the opacity, I think. Maybe. Maybe we'll never know if this actually does anything. Cool. Okay. I hate you too. Maybe I had to click on the line. Nope. That's right, right. That's the mess. Yeah, that's the mess. Now, how does this not change the color? What? Yeah, I did not want to open that. Oh, is this maybe the... Let's just check. Change. Okay. Let's change the cut opacity here. Ah, there we freaking go. Okay, that's cool. Nines. Ah, frick. You know, before we continue, this is let's just put out and create we pick a setting and a button. No save states. Okay. Yeah, let's just make a button now. I wish this will work. I need to look over that another time, I guess. So now I don't have to like copy the whole thing. Great. I should just create wolf and I guess whatever. I will change this hopefully at some point in my life. Yeah, that's fine. And actually just button name should be that. We will go into mini jeans and we will do a forgetting set toggle with that one and a actually I could just tuck it either way. Yeah. At least for now it's fine. Can I it's not settings. So used to settings being here. Did I not? But what am I doing? Can I just instead say this be a lambda in a lambda? Image start this. Yeah, that's actually okay. I have no idea if this even makes any sense. Hmm. Sorry, I'm better reading chat. So the way it works is there's a mod loader, which basically is basically just a monomod, and it hooks itself into the SMPC shop and just adds the code. So up here you can see that even just the most basic thing, or like the first thing that the mod does, is on game manager start, it activates debug, so to say. So like this is just written into the game manager code. The way monomod works, or like in this case, I guess, well, I mean, there's multiple things. First of all, the map.pi also exposes all of the fields, so you can just exit every private field. For example, I think it's all here at enemies. Yeah, there's like a private field, but I can just access it, and modding API doesn't contain. It's the coolest thing about this map.pi is that in here you just have like Pepinix, the mod loader. You can like you just have like the mods in here. And the assembly C# is actually still vanilla. Like this is the vanilla C# file. Also on that note, I could actually change this. Even though I don't need it, but you know. Like this is still the vanilla C# file, but in my library here, I have a different assembly C#, which just exposes all of the methods from modding API. And Pepinix just came up with that pretty much. So like this is like only that the compiler doesn't cry about this being private. It was. Oh, I popate them. Thanks for that fun. Thank you so much for this. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Honestly, you don't even have to really do anything. Like this works pretty great. This is like no export post code really. We just like hook into the game itself, which is pretty neat. I actually wouldn't know a single thing that I would do as a developer and as a modder, like from both sides on. I wouldn't see anything that would help me as a modder. Yeah. Honestly, probably not. Yeah, probably nothing. I mean, okay, well, there's one thing which annoys me sometimes. Oh, it's actually pretty annoying. The worst possible case is if something has no instance, usually. That's pretty annoying. Like if like there were some cases where I wanted to call a method from a function, from like a class, but I just couldn't because the object itself like it didn't have an instance. And I couldn't access the things itself. But that's actually also like solved itself at some point, since you can just hook into any method that it has. If it doesn't have a method, then you're pretty much fucked. But if it doesn't have a method, then it probably also doesn't do much, to be fair. Yeah, but then I just like hook into any method. Like this one, yeah, it's just on start from enemy half, and just hook into the start method and then get the object, even without an instance. If it had an instance, I wouldn't have to hook into the method. I could just call an instance, but whatever. This game thankfully has a lot of instances, usually. Like Game Manager has an instance, Player Script has an instance, Camera has an instance. That's beautiful. Yep. Oh yeah, that's actually a good point. Well, usually you use, like usually for enemies you would use an enemy manager. Like yeah, you just have a base object that has an instance, and that base object spawns the prefabs. And then you still expose the prefabs, since you are spawning it over that. And you can still access all of the game objects through that instance. Yeah, it's a pretty neat way of doing it. I mean, for this game, yeah, it just has every enemy in the scene. Which is also fair. Okay, can I... So, as far as I know, the canvas aspect scaler is... Oh god, that's pain. God, I need to access the map twice. Okay. Hmm. Oh god, okay. Yep. That does make sense. Hmm. Actually, I have to start the game again. I have to see how I can access the image. Maybe I just need to call find children, which is pain. Oh, actually. Okay. I'm gonna go back to graphic recaster. I had it working earlier. I hope I can get working again. Actually, need to Google it though. Like recaster Unity. Yeah, that's the code. If input is master, then I want a pointer, PD. Is a new pointer inverter, and I think this can be assessed by now. And then you have PD position, I think. Yep, equals this position. Thank you, yes. Let me just have a list of breakpoints so actually, and then we can. Okay, for now it's okay. It's just for debugging purposes, so I can just do so dot get component. This should have graphics precursor, I think, if I remember correctly. I don't even know why it has one, but I'm pretty sure it had one. Precursor, like it doesn't really make sense that it has a graphic precursor because it doesn't use it anywhere. As far as I know, because like you can't even use the mouse. And as far as I know, the graphic precursor is only for mouse, but we take those. Job makers. Make has the PD, and we save it to results. And then this for each, and hopefully. Thank you. And debug block. Thank you so much. Actually, just get this. I think Unity automatically locks that. Yeah, about that. It's not really how it works. Okay, there's probably a way to get that working, but I'm just gonna make it a method. Yes, I want to do it anyway. And we don't have to expose this. Just of it. And we return the opposite of that. Oh yeah, that we obviously need to change that. Of delegate, we just use function start toggle pick map. That yeah, that's a poor. Why do I even? Do that? Okay, actually, I still need to expose that with him. Avoid is better anyway, and then this should work. This does work. And hide it, put the strings. Too strong. I'm done to update. And just add one right here. Yeah, that. Oh no, wait, it's a button. That's even better. Only that I. Okay, yeah. Instead of what I. Where's the try? Okay. Instead of. No, actually, not instead. On top of that. Actually, yeah. No, yeah. This. Mini debug my dot. Quick. Oh, not your. If that's false, it should start by being so. Actually, maybe just until that. Okay, what's that? Well, whatever. No, hopefully they should not do anything. Well, doesn't have any user experience, but whatever. And it does something. Oh. Okay, but for now I wanted to be disabled. Good. And now we can check the things without being annoyed. We go to do not destroy, my camera. Actually, I think I haven't checked yet. Oh wait, it should be here as well, I think. Canvas, panel. Where do we have? Is it on a mask? Yeah, that's funny. Okay. Why is it on a mask? I don't really. Is this a select icon? That's funny. But actually it's not. Exit button. Actually, wait, where's the new? Yeah. Oh, it's for controller. I see. That's funny. Okay. Well, if that's of that. And instead of map tiles, there should be something else, maybe? Yeah, pause doesn't look, that's okay. Yeah, those are just locations. These are the ones that I'm already using. What's... Oh, wait. Hmm. I mean, that's like kind of what I'm trying to find trying to find. Is something that has, the full map. Would have assumed I would have found it here. Either way, I have the debug, I think. So I should get some makers resources. Enable it. Let's see. What am I hitting? I'm hitting a mask. I'm hitting a map panel. What am I hitting here? I'm hitting a mask and map panel. Okay, I don't see which one I'm hitting because I don't print out the name, which is here. But I'm just gonna assume that's gonna be the mask that I want to have. I should have them. The thing is that it never changes. Maybe because the mask is on top of everything. Oh, by the way, yep. I'm hitting, like this is the last click, and per click I'm hitting a map screen, a mask, and a map panel. Which sounds, yeah, like the map screen is everything, which is fair that I'm hitting that. I just crashed the game because I didn't disable it. I'm hitting probably the mask, which I want to have. Like I want the mask. That would be perfect. And the map panel, which might be everything. Yeah, that's just everything. Okay. Okay, so that's good. So what I want is only the mask. I can actually just get the name. I'm just gonna do it again. I can maybe find a way to permanently go. I don't know, that's a bit too small, I feel like. Also going over. I could maybe permanently show the console. I could just use sprite. Oh, thank you. That's why you should use transitions. Okay, yeah, right here. Oop. None of that's too small to read, really. I mean, it's only the public Discord that it's short, so that's good. Oh, that looks pretty small. You can check. Right. Oh my god, that's a bit, yeah. What I can do though is to zoom into that. In the console itself. And then just show less. Make it, yeah, like that or something. Thank you, Brad. Okay, let's go. This is save by default. We should enable first. And let's open up this one. Okay, what do we get? Map screen, mask, map platform. Good, good. Um, 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 um. So what we really want is a game object. That's the task. And it's not by default. And if result game object name that equals task, then with me. Oops. On top of that, if mass is equal to none, then we want to get the the component, we want the image and not image. Does not complete that. Oh, the obviously the image. Okay, maybe just broke now. Image dot. I guess. Gamma? No. Grayscale. No. Okay, wait, that's just a get. Okay, then why not? Do we have anything that we can change? We have color A, P, and G apparently. I don't know what the A is. Otherwise, blue, green, red. Oh, it's alpha. Isn't this a float? It's a float. Can I modify the return value of gravity because it's not variable? It does say that you can set it there though, doesn't it? I mean, yeah, but even the A says that it's as that method, right? Oh, it's just a field. Wait. Ah, okay. That actually does make sense. We have G, we have E, and we have something that's probably right there. And we want to actually debug the component. Object as mass. Actually, does this have anything more than? Nope. Will do. Let's see if happens with this. Go. I also have to look into Unity Explorer again, to be fair. Okay, it didn't change the color at least. Just bad. But did I even... Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, flip! High flip, high flip, high flip, high flip, high flip. Okay, so it's debug for Haiku that I'm currently working on. And the cool thing is, which is a thing that I actually always wanted to implement in Hollow Knight, but I just never came around to it. So I wasn't good enough at coding, but I actually managed to do it. Okay, yeah, I try to not spoil anything. I just show you the beginning areas. So you have the map, just a map, and I can just click anywhere, and it'll teleport me to the which is pretty far. I got that working yesterday. The way this works is also the reason why it probably wouldn't work as easier in Hollow Knight, and I mean, it would work. I mean, technically it would. So like the way I was thinking about it, actually, oh, wait, I never knew that. I want that mod. Oh my god, that's cool. I mean, the way that I would have thought about it in Hollow Knight is that you have the compass, and the compass is somehow translating the Hollow Knight's position to the map, so like you can reverse engineer that, probably. Oh, okay, that's cool. Yeah, that's probably better. Actually, the problem is that you can move it already like this, so it would probably be confusing to use arrow keys on top of that, but like in this game at least. I don't know. It works at least for now. Yeah, it's the same way that I've done it here, only a bit different, I guess. There's like every map, like every room has a center point, and whenever I click, I just like look for the nearest point. For optimization purposes, I wanted to think about creating a circle raycast instead, and then have the raycast hit the room, hopefully. Since right now I'm just looping through 100 rooms, which is definitely an experience. Now the thing is, actually, what does even console say? This is from the game. This is from me, but that's okay. Could I change of object mask in a T engine not game object? Okay. But actually then, no, the game crashed. It's unfortunate. Sadly, I believe it's Unity Explorer. Could also be my code. One of the two being the game crash. Yeah, but this time we'll just keep it open. Okay. What I want to do is go into camera, panel, no, web canvas, web panel, mask. Actually, if it's just the mask that it's sitting, then we have a problem. Because, well, then I'm changing the color right here. I think I'm changing attack to 0.4. Which probably doesn't do anything. So instead, oh, that's kind of meh. It's bad that it's the raycast is hitting the mask. Thank you, Hannah. Can I make the raycast not hit? I mean, technically it should give him back anything it's hitting, to be fair. Even if something is below that, which is also doing it. But I actually don't know what it's what it's based on, what it's hitting. I thought it would hit any game object, which would mean that. Oh yeah, I'm loading a state here. Enough. Enabled and yeah, what does it give me? Map screen, mask, map, I don't know. Three things. Why does this only give me three things? I feel like it should be a lot more than that. Oops, that's the moment. Hmm. How do I get the tile? Oh, is it? Oh, they should literally give me any game object that's beneath the mouse. That should be fine. Pretty sure. The question is if it does that even if it's disabled, which it might not do. Which then again, fair. Oh, the problem is that F7 is loading a save state. Anyway, it's disabled. Let's just go back in here real quick again and search for a map tile we can just do that with. And we save. And then we remove this because we don't need it right now. Also, we changed S7 actually to something else. Doesn't really matter. Oh, actually, something else that's not, but that I'm using. And then we can check if it's hitting anything. How about we also enable it? Oh wait, it's more. It's just for the transition panel, use item. Oh god, there's a lot. Transition panel, decoy, use item UI. Okay. Okay. Transition panel, that's beautiful. Wait, that's still not it. Transition panel, decor, map screen, mask map. Pretty sure that's not enough. Well, that's not what I really want to see. Okay, we have. I don't know why it's not hitting this one. It should be hitting this one. I feel like. You should. It's a beautiful game. It's a lot of fun. It's also very well coded, which is really good. Okay, let's try to find some things here. Okay, we have the mask. We have the map. No. Wait, what is the map? Wait, is it only? I didn't camera windows? No. Right. That would also. Oh, it hits my screen. Oh god. Does this really only hit? That would be quite sad. I mean, it would have to hit map cannons, which it doesn't somehow. Hmm. Okay, I'm just gonna read up a little. Dot. Alpha a graphics element in the scene. Hmm. I mean, technically, it should get anything, including this one. Also, yeah, actually, yes. I can't really know. Okay. Hmm. No. I'm sadly not flip normality. I don't have a brain to think about logic. I don't know how people do that even. Like, people, well, Texas and Janik are supposedly making a random mod, I think. And the brain you need for that is way over me. Like, they're thinking about doing, like, nodes and placing, like, the logic with, like, nodes which are, like, you know, representing each room. And then you can, like, have them weighted. So, like, you know, if you have item mix, you can, you know, go through or, like, get there in logic. And even then, that's still far above me. Like, I've watched, I've looked at the Rhino code in Fortnite, and I have no idea how you can come up with like half of that. And not even half, like 90% of that. Like, even just the XML file of the logic itself does not pass with me. I don't know. People are way too smart. I'm just waiting a mod that lets you teleport anywhere right now. So, which actually also already pretty much works. You can just click anywhere and teleport to it. And nice would be if I could get the it's not the transition panel, it's not the map panel, right? Am I game try not to crash because of anything? Strange. I'm confused. I mean, this is like not super important to be fair. But it would be so cool if I could just highlight it. Like if my dream would be that I could just take this, go to the image, go to the color, and then maybe it's not this, actually. Wait, was it not that? Is it just this? Is it just... No, it's mass matter. Maybe it also just doesn't work. I don't know why it goes from 0 to everything. What is... I feel like this just worked. Didn't I just do that? Or did I go to this? No, that does not make sense. Hmm. Hmm. I don't even know what that is. Where's the difference? Like this doesn't do anything. Maybe it's, yeah, I guess it's used in the code somewhere else. Page, I could also just look at. Whatever. I mean, this worked before, I'm pretty sure. And I have no idea why it doesn't. Oops. Hmm. Okay, maybe this. Wait. What did I do before? Doesn't make any sense if it would be anywhere else. Then fireworks. You can actually look at that. That's funny. That is quite funny. Oh, was I in here? Was I in sprite? No. Wait, we can't change. Wait. You can change the color of the sprite. Break texture. I'm losing my mind. I swear you can change sprite's texture. I mean, technically it should just be done. This one. And I mean, you can even see that this doesn't work, even though it's very C1 behaving somehow. Okay, actually, I'm just gonna look at color and code. Yep. Yep. At least if I'm listening correctly, it should be used in code anywhere, somewhere. Oh, Okay, well, that was a dumb thing to search for. I agree. Yeah, why not just go into map time? Map time, yes. Okay, it's just enabling the image. Okay, sure. That's made it partly visible. Sure, we have. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm not gonna know where's this in use. Oh, effect that contains, sorry. Okay. So, okay. Oh. Okay. I understand. I think, if I'm understanding correctly, it's whenever it's off screen. Since this is a thing. Oh, wait, contains this. Oh, okay. If it's inside it. Okay. I don't know why that took me so long to understand. I'm a bit slow, right? Yeah, this is also okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. That makes sense. Why is the image a thing here though? Alright, because it's saving the image. Okay, we have that. Cool. Anyway, let's not use that thing. This is the trigger. Do we have anything else? I mean, well, mask, that's both what's attached to it. Okay. Which is completely fair. So it's not changing the color, it's just changing the image, I assume. It's also for Republic, right? It's not. Okay. Why not? What does this? Oh, this actually has nothing. Absolutely nothing. Okay, I'm absolutely confused. I mean, that doesn't even really matter too much how they do it. Anything that I know is, well, I mean, I know that this worked before. I bet this worked before. I mean, I can change the size here, right? And it, yeah, I can rotate it. We like that's cool. No, also the layer UI, which probably pretty much everything. Yep. Okay. Yeah, but that's not working though. Mm, which would like destroy like my main idea of everything. It's not really a thing. Okay. Good. That's the first step of the color. Anyway, we're just gonna leave the colors changing. So, I don't know why I forgot about it, but it's not a raycast target. Which is probably good. No, whatever, I'm just gonna change it. And I'm gonna change it by hooking into every single mask. I hook into map type, into start, map type, map type, map type, map type, the map type. It's a map type. It's a map type. It's a map type, map type. Okay, it's a map type. Beautiful. Okay. This should hopefully be damage. Okay, we can hook into that. Map tab s dot stat. Map tab stat. Creative naming conventions. We're gonna generate the method for us automatically. And so it's gonna call the original method. And after that, we want to change something. Self.image.break as target. And that should be everything okay. Okay, before checking it, I'm just gonna check it in here. Main camera, map canvas, map panel, ads, map screen, map types. This should hopefully now be a raycast target. Raycast target. Still false. That is quite. Oops. Okay, I can check what I did. Actually, this might slow down, but okay. Okay. Maybe I changed something else. Big map up. Well, whatever. Do I have anything new? A transition panel masking, that's nothing new. Okay, then we will look into this again. So I went into map type, which is enabled. That's good. Went into map type mask, went into the image of the object. Oh, it also says base now. The base might be actually not what I want. That's sure, okay. I mean, the base is okay. I don't know really how base works, to be fair. It should be the base object. Okay, yeah, that should technically be that object, but actually, no, I don't know. Actually, I don't know. I'm just gonna try it out. Instead of using the image that's in here, the component of the image. And then we go to raycast target. That should maybe. Oh, I don't, but I could maybe work. That could maybe be a beginning. Might also be that it just never starts. Actually, maybe. Oh, because it's not enabled. Oh, that's the case that could be fixed. Still not a raycast cancer. Raycast. So, Raven is a raycast target. Okay, still not a raycast target. Okay, then it could be because it's never active. And start never gets called. Then it should be changed now. Technically. I don't think I have to reload it. Because why do I have such a problem with finding this? Raycast target. Okay, no, it's true. Perfect. Nice. It did work. I'm just never started. Which, yeah. No, you. So now, hopefully, if I enable quick map warp and I warp to the mask, we should hopefully find a new thing. And there's actually one new thing. Use item UI. Oh, actually, maybe there was before. Okay, there we go. Mask map tile. That's what we want. That's exactly what we want. Nice. Oh, God. Yep. Haiku. Haiku is using monomod. Jalik has created the map UI with Bepinex, and that's using monomod injectors. It's pretty comfy. Okay. Now that this is working. Oh god, how do you do? Oh god, I only know how to do this in Python, to be honest. Starts with the beginning of the string instance matches specified. Yeah, okay, that's that. We should have. Can I still get the log? Is it not right? Yeah. Oh, that's not. It's not. That's not. That's what. We can go into Haiku. Yeah, look. I'm just gonna move it over so you can see what I'm doing. And we should have Mr. Panel mask map time. You want it to start with this. And then we changed the alpha level. The problem is, the problem left is that since it's not enabled by default, we don't really have. It doesn't have a start method. I don't know if it's or if a rake is called, but I also don't think I can actually just create a new method out of it. Can I? Oh god. If I only knew monomod. Can you create a new method? Wouldn't know how it is. Another thing is that technically somewhere I should find map tiles. And there should be somewhere where they get enabled. Actually here. So technically I think what I can do is if this is actually ever called. I'm actually not quite sure about this. But technically I think. And there we have the tile image as well. Yeah. That could work. Okay, so instead we don't go into the map mask, and hopefully this works. Go into map time. Dot start, sure. And then still the same. We call actually generate the method request class and oop. I'm technically just changing the parameter here, but you know. Okay, that's still the same. Only that we don't get the image actually, we get the. It's probably the same actually, since it's just getting the base. Oh, whatever. Awkward. Image. Okay, let's see if that works. Let's see. Still, there's one problem left that I haven't even thought about yet. Sounds like a problem for later. I mean, I still haven't solved the issue that the tiles aren't even enabled. And it could cause a lot of issues if I just enable them. But that's a problem for later. So don't describe nodes. Again, camera, map canvas, map panel, mask, map screen, map tiles, and hopefully this UI image, yes. Or like this, no, array cast target, if everything worked right. It's not, sadly. Isn't... Oh, the thing is that map tiles don't work. Okay, that's actually what I thought as well. This script is just disabled by default. Because, as I was saying, I don't feel like this is actually used. Since there's a book that's called Jordan test. So I assume this was just for testing purposes. And then you can just enable the script and it goes in an array again started. It just gets so good on. Okay, yeah, that's probably just for debugging. So that's not used. Just map time mask is used. Problem is that map time mask is not called since it's not enabled. This doesn't have any method. This is map zoom. Okay, we can call it map zoom. Do you have an array of everything? You do not. I assumed so. Okay. Then one possible way, but there should be something should be there that's disabling everything. So somewhere should be something that has an array of everything. We go into the next method. Canvas scanner. It also does not have anything. Yeah, you just go from top to bottom. Makes a snap ripple effect. That does not sound like anything that has something to do with it. Map panel does not sound like something. Mask. Nope. Map screen has map zoom, and map zoom I didn't find anything. Check and check. I don't think so. Yeah, then we have map tiles, which also doesn't have anything. And then we have that, which is map time mask. But in map time mask, there is, unless I am blind. Here's the start, which I did. Yes, I check if visible, which is private. Public bool. And maybe the public bools have used. I'm just gonna show it. Yeah. Is it used by anything? No, it's just by itself. Check. That's not helpful, sadly. Okay. I think if I look into my own code, my own code, to be fair, it's more or less the game's code. We save the map types. As I know. Yep, we do. Game manager, okay. Game manager it is. Sorry. Which, fair, I could have, yeah. Thought of it, of game manager as well. Oh yeah, that's actually where I saw it. Miss start on export. Okay. Yep, that's that. Okay. I don't know why my brain took so long with that. Either way, map cards, what do we do with these? Vision percentage or read by, oh god, target map testing, that should not it, should not be it. This is apparently not a code, which we are map type trigger. No. Base names, show base names. It's not it, is it? Maybe it is. Wait, but it's the place names. Why is it in here? Yeah, if it's not explored, then wait. If it's not explored, so it's not explored, then it's the background is set to false. What's the background? It's an image of the I assume of the object. Okay. Oh yeah, I mean it should just be the background of the place name, actually. If it's explored, yeah. I was thinking about something else. I was thinking this was a mess, but this makes more sense. If you have the corresponding map style, which is probably okay, fair, then okay, the base name has the background, which it does. It has the background here. Okay, that makes sense. But where does it actually disable them? That's just for debugging, pretty sure. Unless this is actually a code, is it? But then the object should be enabled somewhere, which is not here. Map disruptors, map helpers, map movers. Okay, what's map? Oh, helper. Marker is not. Yeah, okay, a marker is a marker, hopefully. I think I'm understanding that much. Am I sure that that's not code? I mean, well, the question would be where it's called. And then, even then, I'm currently looking into Mid-titled start. Extreme. Extreme. Actually, try something. I don't know if it reaches anything, but why not? I think I'll just change this to awake, probably. Hopefully. Cool. And since in awake, it's gonna be fun. I don't know if awake is called before. I mean, it is called before start, but I don't know if it's just before it's disabled. Well, I should just disable that much of anything. Okay, maybe I was just wrong. Which is also okay. Maybe this just works. Maybe it worked too well. Yeah, maybe there's a reason that's not a wave cast. Alright. If it is, at least. Oops. Wait, how did I click on it? I'm really sorry. I mean, it has to be. But it's not. Oh, that makes sense. I am seriously reconsidering life choices. What is that? Oh, do I have an arrow actually? Oh god, there's. Oh gosh, okay. There's quite a few arrows. I'm pretty sure if it's not set on a sign of object. Test that. Yep. That would be making sense because that image is probably caught later then. I guess. Well said. Actually, if that makes sense. Uh, okay, how about we do. No, not try. Self dot component image image. And then let's try to please not break anything. Just a beginning. But it probably also doesn't work. Maybe it surprises me and it does work, but that yeah, would really surprise me. Image and break as target is probably none. Oh, it's okay. Wow, that actually did work. Huh. I mean, yeah, fair, I guess. Okay, if I set this to loop, and now let's quick map for, then I click on this. Okay, I changed the color. But as we found out earlier, that doesn't make any difference, sadly. Now I need to figure out why it doesn't. Oh, actually, instead, I could also just create a just create a box, maybe. Yeah, why not try that? Yeah, yeah, actually, why not? So now that I have the object, which is a good beginning, the next step is for me to get this heist, I imagine. I don't know if it's in canvas or not. Probably not. I mean, it should be the image technically, but I didn't think audio. Maybe I was just not looking enough. Oh, there's event alpha threshold? What does that mean? What if I put that to 0.4? Oh, isn't this what I want? What if I change this to... I can't change it. Okay, but I don't even want to change it. If that's... Actually, I can just look into the scripting API. Unity image size. Dude, do you know what it is? Yeah, there we go. It's size of UI image at runtime. That's, I don't think it has a rect transform. Right. And we have a... There should be a rect. Oh yeah, here. And can't change this though. Oh, that should be the size. Okay, cool. What happens if I change something in here? Okay, it's just bigger. Nice. Cool. Okay, so we get the right game object. And here we have the mask. You can get the image. I don't even want the image actually. We will go for the rect transform. And what I want to do is I want to draw something over it, I guess. Do I want to? Yeah, actually, yeah. Why not? I want to draw the borders, which I think I didn't really understand it, but that should be a Dropbox. It draws the box squares at least. But technically, if I do this... Oh god, that sounds complicated. I could also... Yeah, I feel like just adding in a component would be easier. Or... No. No, actually, maybe. Maybe add a component to this. Lots of thinking. I don't even know what my makes sense. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to create a sprite, preferably. I mean, I can also draw a texture, apparently. Actually, that just sounds more complicated for this case, since I can't actually just create, yeah, why not? I'll create a, create a component for the map tiles, which is a an image. Yeah, makes sense. The image size should be the size of the mass map tile that I just got. Or the vectors, yeah, that makes sense. And should have level. But that should technically be it. Oh, the position should be the same as the vectors one. Which all should hopefully automatically work. Oh, I can also, can I? I think, yeah, I think I can add game object to this. Which should also work. But I feel like I would get into more. Okay. I feel like I would get into more issues. Hmm. Yeah, why not? I go into the parent, which should be the webtile. And yeah. I actually need to create a new object, which would also work though. Oh boy. Okay. Oh god. Okay. There be an easier way. Can I even okay, first of all, can I add a game object? Child add no, my components not what I want to do. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I think it's scoping time. Unity image out in oh, okay. So currently I can just create a new game object. Selected mask, I guess, which is a new game object. Selected mask dot parent. First dot parent, I guess then. Actually, let's just submode apparently. And I want a parent, which should be, oh god, which should be the mask dot console dot parent dot console. And the parent of mask, as far as I know, would be map tiles. Miss map tile. Okay. I'll also call that a bit better. This can also just copy that search and replace, but that's okay. Actually, I'm gonna be right back. Um, let's select master file. We will add a component, which is a yeah. What is it? I think an empty image is automatically white, a white square. That's looks nice. I think at least. Maybe it doesn't if it doesn't have a sprite. If you look from a Unity experience though, I hope it just works. We'll see. We'll see what happens. And then image oh, equals this. And then actually we will just keep it like that. We reuse it later, but for now that's really fine. We also don't want to change this anymore. We will though change the image of the selected file eventually. For now, just want actually yeah. Move it. Oh, let's see what the parent is. If I can't find it. Hopefully I will be able to find it, but you never know. Ah, there's also the excavator when I press the mouse button on. Which is yeah, something. Okay, yeah, later on we will just move the thing, but for now we will disable that, click map more. We will click over anything. No, it doesn't have raycast connection text anymore. So it's not. Because it's not active anymore, which is fair, I guess. But also quite sad. Oops. Hmm. Okay, it's a recast target. That's nice. Okay, yeah, then we'll just enable it for now. And then we will instead click on it. Yep. It doesn't tell me that it actually created something, which is weird. Yeah, it also didn't. So I found the mask map time. I hate this. Maybe don't change that. Okay, but there's still a problem since the raycaster doesn't work if it's very fair. Which would mean I still don't know where's disabled though. Maybe it is in check my time. If it is, which it yes it is actually. Yeah, okay. And it's after start. Okay, one funny thing I could do. Instead of awake we go actually need to start again. And exchange. And we will do this before anything, because afterwards it doesn't exist anymore. And then we will actually instead just a bit dumb. Just save X image, right? Yeah, okay. Instead we will it will disable it and check my tile. Yeah. Oh, it's actually on enable as well. Yeah, never mind. Then I should just. Yeah, never mind. Let me just go back. Said I should just go and check my tile. I should do that either way. Because otherwise, it's just going to disable it. Okay. So. I don't even know if I need to wake that anymore. I don't think I actually do. Yeah, instead of awake, go on check my tile. Yeah, we just finish that. Whoop. We have to change this to check this to check my time. And then we still want to do this beforehand. Then it'll go through it. It'll say, hey, this explode. So we should set it inactive. If you look at time, it's disable. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's, yeah. It's the, oh yeah, it's the time. Oh, that's why. No, wait, no, wait. I enable this one. Yep. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, just disable by default, which is fair. This is our use. Actually, no, wait, that's its own script. It just disables its own stuff. That's funny, I didn't even know that was a thing. Um, maybe I actually don't want to do any of that. Maybe I just want to do if soft dot. Okay, make sure I might actually this. And then soft thanks, yes, explore. Then we don't want to. Oh, that's, yeah, that's jank as fuck, but. One is it one? I think one is like 0. I just want to make it transparent as that. Check what rank. What does 7? Wait, that doesn't. Oh, and I really just never not do that because I really don't want to call out this method actually. Is there a way to circumvent that? Of course, also I get this right. Oh, wait, maybe. Oh, maybe actually I fucked up something else. Never mind. Let's just create the method again. Or again. Just create it. I hope that works. Return. That works. Does it? Oh, it has to be. Um, yeah, that's true. Mm-hmm. Good. Yeah, yeah. Push on. Actually, so never me. There's no one to this once. So that's true. Yeah, we could just mimic the same behavior. If it's explored, then it's true. Yeah, I don't think it's abused, but you know, maybe it is. No, we should hopefully see something that's similar to what we see before. Might like a bit more. That was like since it's not disabled. Yeah, yeah. I want to say it's not too bad, but that's kind of copy. This is good. Comfy. Okay. Anyway, if we do this and then do this, then what does the console say? Game object created, new game objects, ruined peptides. That does sound pretty promising. That does sound pretty good. What does the hero key say? Main camera, web canvas, web panel. Wait, it even wait it. Why just map titles? Okay. New game project. Ah, there it is. Cool. Right, yes, the camera's render, it has an image. Where even is it right now? Where is the image located? Can I maybe scale it upwards? Or does it, I mean, it doesn't have a rect transform, which might be a problem. It is white though, it's good. It should be all good, it's hopefully. Does it not have any location at all? Or am I blind? Both possible. Oh. Yeah, actually, right. Eh, can I, oh yeah, that's the scale, right? Technically, I hope at some point I should see it. Ah, there it is. There's my rectangle. My little small rectangle. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, it should also move with the map, right? It does. Okay, so the only thing that I want now is yeah, this might actually be a problem in the end. If everything is just constantly neighbored, then that's a pain. Performance wise. Yeah, at least. But there's no other way really if I want to make work what I want to make work. Other than actually I wouldn't need this really. I could also just go to the position of the room that I'm having anyway. And the problem is that that I can't outline the. Okay, just to show what I mean, I can implement it if I can't get it working. Should be around 0.4, I would imagine. That should be that, that, yeah. And the game, right, actually, yeah. Dot, yeah, what if it's the size that I should just change? Let's just try that out. Dot, transform size, no, scale, scale equals Oh, that might, no, that would be way too big actually. I don't know how right transforms behave with a image. That would be one way. Um, Actually, yeah, maybe this might work. Dot, right? Dot. Um, yeah, there's a problem, which is this doesn't really have a size, does it? Oh, never mind. Oh, the width should be the same as. Oh no, not that one. It's that one. Dot. Get performance. Image. Dot. Right. Dot. Okay. Dot. Wait, does that work? Okay. Actually, yeah. I guess that's one way of doing it. Be doesn't have a right transform though, but I can just do that. Right transform. Yeah. Runs. And then okay. Select. Uh, what? I don't know, to be honest. Actually, what? I mean, technically, I shouldn't even need to do this because I should technically use the buffer. Um, yeah, exactly. I don't think I need this. Isn't that what I? No, that's something else. I start and then the channel with the width of the image. And this one. Okay, I don't know if this really works, but whatever. And select image and as parameter, transfer position equals script type as type position. I think at least. Position should be the same as time. That does sound like it makes sense. Let's see how many arrows we got. So we said that. Kind of. Yeah, it does. Okay. Picnic worms. It's cute. Let's inspect it. It's a bit small, but it's there. It's definitely there. It's really cute. I think this is that might be the middle of the room. So I can see that at least. I'm being optimistic. My panel, and it's sadly in a mess. Web screen. But then we scroll on down. Let's see what happened with you. We have, oh yeah, we have a rect transform. Rect transform, rect, -8, -8. Oh no, it's a size stat, alright. It's 16, 16. Okay, I also question why it's 16 by 16. What did I do? I got the mask map top, which is the mask map top. Okay. So technically that should be this one. And from this one, I got from the image component, I got these right. Oh, okay. I think I already see the issue. And then we have the right. That's 16 by 16. Okay, I think the issue is that instead of that, I actually just want the right transform. It should probably be this one. Other size that actually. And we get this over into our game object, hopefully. Into our right transform. That's actually right. And apply this. It's still very small. I think the size of it is not 1, a scale, I mean. So if I changed it to 1, 1, 1, there we go. I don't know why the size is smaller, the scale is smaller, but that's it. That's what we want. Nice. That's actually pretty perfect. That's so cool. It's really cool. All right. That's a good beginning. So what did I change? I changed the scale of the transform to 1, 1. And the size should be actually, yeah, let's just do it here. First of all, scale of the transform dot scale equals 2 3 1 f 1 f. I thought that was actually better. That should work, I think. Okay. I hope the compiler would worry about it if it didn't. And then the size is actually not the image, it's the right transform. Direct. Right transform. Direct apply. I think that's it. Maybe. Only thing is now that instead of changing, like creating an object every time I click somewhere, I only want to move the position of it. So how do we do that? I think the ideal situation thing, ideal would be say private static bubble. Okay, nothing. And select. Okay. How can I make this variable name more meaningful? Like what select overlay. I think that's pretty good. That's the default. And now we can go in here and say select now. Oh, actually, it's not now. Then we will just change the position. Oh yeah. Yes, it's not that anymore. It's yeah. Yeah, it's obviously not this new objective. It's not. So we have a bounce. That's not. I'm so confused. We have names and what of this in here. Now to make this a bit friendlier to read, we do a right transform as I mean, I do realize that nothing of this is really easy to read. I have to clean up this at some point. And it's as subtitle component. And we can just put this here, make it a bit better on code, a bit friendlier. Yeah, I don't need this anymore. Getting it directly. The image is good. Okay, actually I want to make this already a bit more clear. Image selected. Image of selected matter. Object overlay component. Yep. Now is that. Then the scale. Yeah, I'll put this up here. And then we have the image and the vector as well, which is both together. Also, you actually want to. I already see something. Maybe instead we put this into the nodes. Put this into the. Actually, not even nodes. Just generally, we want to change the position. So, okay, if it doesn't exist, then we will create a new one. Should I do object and destroy load? I don't think about it. We can just create a new one. It would definitely be a bit healthier on the PC, but also, yeah. No, not really, but the biggest thing to improve this, or like to optimize this, would definitely be that I cache all of these. And then I can disable them. And if they're completely disabled, the game will lag a lot less. Which is also the main reason that when you start a game, it lags so much. Because there's like so many objects that it has to move around. It's actually 300. and moving 300 objects around is quite resource heavy. And right now it does that. But optimization is okay, so we can do that another time. The locus scalar should be the same. Either way, it's always one. That's apparent. This one would be down here. It should always be happening. No. Okay. Oh, it's is that legal? Am I legally not legally not allowed to do that? Maybe not. Oh wait, I can just do that actually. That's a bit redundant. It's actually pretty horrible. Yeah. Yeah. Bad idea. And maybe define it before it. I think that would know instead of this, instead of this, we do this and the else, and now it should work. I think now it won't work anymore. Appears to be right. Not. Okay. Let's check real quick if any of that makes sense. If it's now create any object, add. I set the parent, local scale should be set. The image needs to be added, and the color change, that's always stays the same. I don't want to change the color anyway. I just want to move it and change the size. And that should always happen. That doesn't strike me as too bad. Let's see how many hours this yield says. I hate this room. Let's go out of here. If that's not really fucking sick. I don't know what is. Yeah. Yeah, and the it gets worse because there's more things to move, which is fair. I'm gonna optimize that. That's pretty cool. Ah, good. Viewing myself as cringe. Oh yeah, the music pause. Me too. Already forgot about that. I'm so lost the focus. Oh my god. Or is it even on a different channel? It's not. It is actually. Oh wait. Try smart. Yep. Actually, I want to do one thing more. Which might be horrible on performance. Oh god, that would actually horrible. Not be. If I did this every frame. Maybe it's not that bad actually. Yeah, I can try it out. Maybe if it crashes, then crashes. Actually, I can commit this real quick because it's pretty good. And push. Nice. Okay. Now let's try to ruin this. All of this actually. Not an. Oh god. That's gonna be horrible. Every frame you're just gonna just check for the mouse position. Oh my god. I know that for my game that I've done it on fixed frames, not to make it like too much. Which might be handier. I could make that either with a timer or this has a fixed update, which doesn't have. Fair. Wouldn't have expected so otherwise. I could also add a component to it, but that sounds a bit weird. Let's just make we can see updates, which is very done to say, but true. And let's maybe put it on 0.5. Actually, maybe that. Why do we say reset it either way? And every frame will timer is equals time dot data time. If timer is bigger or equal than circle. It's a very funny name. Then timer is 5. And we do all of this garbage. Which would definitely be its own method, to be honest. Or whatever. I don't know. Whatever it is. Also, I don't want this at any time. Only while the map is open. Also, when I left there. I'm updated. Okay. Let's see. Let's see how horrible it's gonna lag. I imagine it might not be that bad, but thanks sorry for the lag. Oh, Sylvie. I don't know if you're still here. If you're still here. Okay. Well, I don't even know if it works to be honest. To be fair. But I've made something cool. I think. I okay. Pick my pop enabled. Okay. Fair enough. What do you say? You say anything? That's not mine. It's from the game. You. No, no. Okay, it doesn't do anything. Why not? Timer plus equals timer at a time. I think it makes sense. What if not? Let's check the method itself real quick. Okay. It should just be. Oh, I already did that. I'm destroying it again. I can show you the last build if I'm doing something new. And that's fine. Okay. Let's just add that real quick. And like that. Okay. This should technically work. Yeah, you should sleep if you want to. But also, well, if it doesn't work, then never mind. But it should work. Whee! Look at that. Shows you how big the room, or rather the size of the room, I guess, that you're taking on. And the idea is that while hovering over it, it should automatically show where the rooms are. But that's what I'm implementing right now. It's pretty cool that it's working that now. Wing. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. No, let's go back to where we were before. Check why this is not working. Is the timer not working correctly? Let's just double log. I think it's my very old Path of Pain time. 2578, yeah. 2 minutes, 5 seconds, and 780 milliseconds. It's a bit outdated. Okay, let's just see if we actually get it in there. Which we should. So it's just not getting any breakups results, it seems. Okay. It's actually not doing anything. Go. This never happened. So something this is wrong. But 100 at a time should be fine. It's gonna do this. This is gonna be a painful to read, but just do that. Okay. That's interesting. Does it increase at any point? Maybe it's just the wrong time. Maybe that was a bit too much debugging. Okay, it's always 0. Why is it always 0? I'm not dead at time. I feel like that should work. It's inside update. That is how you do it, I'm pretty sure. 3 times the setup, no. I'm card, no. It's not. Fixed at a time, no. Fixed time, no. And the time? I said that time. Pretty sure. Timer plus equals. It's a float. A float. Yeah. Okay. Should not be only done. I mean, what's not done here? This is making it a string. What's on here? Maybe instead. Just going to open minute at a time. Then 1 seconds from the last frame to the current. This count was just time that. Oh, does it? That's interesting. It's also good to know. But that's inside update. It's not. This is basically another update. That's definitely an update. I've ever seen an update. That should be working. I think. Timer plus equals time at a time. Oh, maybe she would. Maybe just no. But then even then it would. Oh yeah. Plus equals. Can just try it, I guess. I don't know why. But good old deep print debugging. It's always 0. Even time at a time is 0. Funny enough. Maybe. Oh god. This even makes sense. Maybe not. And I'm pretty sure it's referenced somewhere there. Time that is. I mean, don't. Yeah, I would have different issues. I didn't. Pretty sure that's not time at a time. I mean, as I said, I would have other issues. Maybe it's having issues because it's in a different update. I could also just use this update, I guess. Actually, it doesn't matter now that I think about it. Yeah, maybe that works. Maybe that works. Let's say updates. That should. That doesn't work then anymore. This I can see. Let's see. Actually, maybe that's a reason of the hook trajecting differently than I imagined it would be. Okay, let's see. Did I put this up? Yeah, to one F. Oh, 1 second should be not less than that. I'm getting one callback, and it just finds the transition panel because it just got opened. It doesn't open again. Come on. Mm-hmm. Okay. Is it? Actually, oh wow. I've just twice. I used it just twice. Yes. Actually, why does this get out? Yeah. How about we just find the reference? Reference, yeah. Game image update. Yeah. Oh, I mean, what if I put that from there down there? I don't think there's anything wrong with that, is it? Actually, no, the request will work. I'm just gonna do that again. Maybe the timer doesn't get set to 0 correctly, yes, for some reason. Let's just see. It's constantly 0. What? Why does it still have the same issue? Do I somewhere have something that's... Oh no, I don't. I don't have anything that's a... that's inheriting from one of you. I don't think that would even work, would it? That's actually... Yep. Which is M. Just suggested on does this. Doesn't it actually somewhere in here? Doesn't it add a game object? Oh, yeah, and that notes. Okay, food is done. Soon. Um, yeah, sure. Okay, I guess this is I actually don't have an update. Oh, oh, oh. It's it's so dumb. It's okay. Let me move this here. This doesn't seem to do anything. Unless I'm inevitably doing something wrong. Then yeah, it's the constantly 0. Yes. Actually, should wait for a second at least. Maybe just running it. Guess I'm doing something inherently wrong. Even though I have no idea what it could be. Hmm. I mean, that should have worked either way before. And I mean, it did kind of work at some point. At least I got this once. Oh. Oh, that's weird. Can I just do something weird? This is probably too fast, but actually wants a frame. 144. That's probably pretty fair. That's actually. No, it's actually pretty good. Hmm. We actually get something. We get a transition panel. Oh, no. That's the only thing that we get. Even though it's the same method. I don't know. I put a mouse precision. It's yeah. Maybe this doesn't get updated actually. Isn't it? Isn't this? Okay. I'm just gonna go into my own code, I guess. Maybe it's a skill issue. That's actually the wrong one. Folder sets. Oh, oh yeah, I did a different name since I just read for the game fix. Yeah, then I don't know. I think where is that from? Apparently, something technically. I think we are using this. Are we? Actually, wrong. Like, data manage something with. Hmm. Okay, I'm just gonna try that. That's not. But it's in here, right? Input module. Hmm. Okay. And I guess I can also just Google for it. Nope, probably not. Thanks for the good luck. I'm gonna eat right now, so Okay, I don't know why it's not working, but whatever. Okay, I'm gonna go eat. Thanks anyone who was watching. It was a lot of fun. I'm gonna do that more often. I'm gonna get it next time, I'm sure. We got so much done today, so. Thank you. Yeah, I'll do plenty of that. Looking for someone to raid. There's literally no one streaming, but oh, someone is doing no geo, any percent hitless. Mine looks more like, yeah, no, it's just any percent hitless. Okay, that makes more sense. Okay. Right.